Hello, dear children. Good morning. Children, we are going to continue the reading part of your second lesson, Conservation of Environment. In our previous class, we have completed a part of the reading, right? We have completed the reading part till controlling water pollution. And in today's class, we are going to continue from controlling soil pollution. See. Some measures MEASURES. Some measures to control land pollution are listed below. Prevent the disposal 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 of garbage in the open. Have separate 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 biodegradable and non-biodegradable BIODEGRADABLE biodegradable and non-BIODEGRADABLE non-biodegradable bins to dispose garbage. Biodegradable substances 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 are the ones that can be broken down by bacteria, BACTERIA bacteria, and absorbed by the soil like vegetable waste. Non-biodegradable substances like plastic do not decompose. DECOMPOSE decompose naturally. Build compost pits. COMPOST compost pits to dispose biodegradable garbage. It increases soil fertility in the long run. Set up recycling recycling plants to treat garbage. Set up landfill sites in the city outskirts. Dispose biomedical and radioactive waste under proper regulations. REGULATIONS regulations. Next, conserving biodiversity. Forest conservation. Forests add to the green cover of our planet. They breathe BREATHE. They breathe out oxygen, which is essential for our survival. They prevent soil erosion and floods. Forests encourage 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 rainfall and provide us with many forest goods like timber, medicinal plants, and fodder. FODDER fodder. They are also the home of many wild animals. Forest conservation initiatives. INITIATIVES initiatives like urban forestry and rural forestry have been taken by the Government of India. Urban forestry pertains 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 to the management of trees on public lands like parks and roadsides. Rural forestry includes agroforestry and community forestry. Such programs PROGRAMMES programs are carried out to promote afforestation. Apart from these, events like the Van Mahotsav, MAHOTSAV, Van Mahotsav and Environment Day promote conservation of forest. Next one is wildlife conservation. Just like forest, we need to protect our wildlife too. Animals complement 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 our lives in several ways. Rearing rearing animals is one of the main occupations OCCUPATION is occupations of rural people. We depend on animals for some food, wool, hide, leather and medicines. They act as means of transport and beast. BEAST is beasts of burden in remote areas. We also share an emotional bond with them as companions. COMPANION is companions. Poaching, POACHING, poaching or illegal hunting has endangered, endangered several animal species. To protect the animals, the government has set up national parks, wildlife sanctuaries, SANCTUARIES sanctuaries, and Biosphere Lake Wildlife Sanctuary in Odisha, Panchmarhi Biosphere Reserve, PACHMARHI, Panchmarhi Biosphere Reserve in Madhya Pradesh, and the Manas Biosphere Reserve in Assam are some of the well-known reserves and sanctuaries in India. Eco-friendly practices. Reduce, 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 REUSE, reuse, RECYCLE, recycle. Reduce, reuse, recycle. 3 R's. Best summarize, SUMMARISE, summarize the eco-friendly practices that we should observe. Reduce, buy and use fewer things. Try to buy things which have less packaging, 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 to reduce the amount of waste. Avoid using plastic bags, PLASTIC, plastic bags. Use your own shopping bags made of biodegradable plastic, cloth or paper bags only. Do not use firecrackers, FIRECRACKERS, firecrackers. They cause both noise and air pollution. Switch off the lights and fans in a room when they are not in use. Use only CFL bulbs as they consume less electricity. Turn on the taps only when you need to use water. Do not let water overflow. Avoid driving and encourage, ENCOURAGE, encourage cycling. Avoid honking, HONKING, honking unnecessarily, 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 as it contributes to noise pollution. Reuse, use cutlery and plates, CUTLERY, cutlery and plates instead of disposable plastic plates, spoons and forks. Use refillable, REFILLABLE. Use refillable containers like water bottle and tin cans. Reuse gift covers and envelopes, 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 if they are in a good condition. Avoid wasting paper by using it on both sides. Next one is recycle. Recycling is the process of making a new product from an old one to prevent PREVENT, prevent its wastage. WASTAGE, wastage. Use diaries, 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 greeting cards, GREETING, greeting cards, and envelopes, ENVELOPES, envelopes of handmade paper. Opt for recycled handicrafts and ornaments over others. Sell old batteries to a junkyard dealer, JUNKYARD, junkyard dealer. Dispose garbage appropriately, APPROPRIATELY appropriately in biodegradable and non-biodegradable bins. This helps in recycling. In recent years, many people add a fourth R to the three R's. It's refuse, REFUSE, refuse. This means to reuse or say no to items that harm the environment. So this is all about the reading part of your second lesson, conservation of environment. Children, once go through the today's class. Okay, bye children, thank you.